Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed or if you're new here, kindly subscribe. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. And so, as you can hear my sound, leo niko na homa, but still I've decided I'm going to sing for my fans. Leo nawaimbia as I do my makeup. Leo nawaimbia na msinijudge juu I'm not a musician, mi ni mwimbi. Yeah, so you just enjoy the video. I'll be singing any song that comes to my mind that shows you I love you. Yeah. So enjoy the video. Mic test. Uko na tabia za kupendeza roho, tabasamu ya kupapasa macho, sauti yako nikisikia pia natulia, yanipunguzia umawazo. So we are going to start with our eyebrows as I continue with that song. Kama mwijui Malaika by Nyashinsky. I feel you in my head when I feel You're the one I've been waiting for my life. Uko sawa na wote malaika na mabawa yao, wote wanakuiga wendo mauma yao, ni wewe nachagua, sisemi nao, sisemi oh baby, uko sawa na wote malaika na mabawa yao, wote wanakuiga wendo mama yao, ni wewe nachagua, sisemi nao, ni wewe nachagua, sisemi nao, oh sisemi oh baby, uko sawa nao, wote malaika na mabawa yao, wote wanakuiga wendo mama yao, ni wewe nachagua, sisemi. So we're now going to the next thing, concealing our eyebrows. Next thing, next song. Yeah. So you're going to sing another song. Hiyo tushamaliza. I hope you enjoyed it. Simama sita, you deserve me corazon. So nice to meet you, could you tell me where you're from? Never seen a girl like you, hotter than the sun. Girl, you hotter than the sun. Hot than the sun. Sama mapiano. Juu. Juu. Abu juu 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 juu. Abu juu 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 juu. Abu juu 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 juu. Blending the concealer using a damn beauty blender. Some Kenyan music, Buddha form. Manzesu checheshere. Leo tupige kelele, rauna jipa mwenyewe. Sunicheze kona ndomu. Tukiwasha tupepe. Tukate maji letu lewe. We cheza kama wewe. Cheza kama wewe. I'm wondering if I should do eyeshadow, mascara and eyeliner. I don't know. What do you think? I'm also running out of song ideas. It's getting hard. So I've decided I'm going to do eyeshadow. I'm going to go for this color here. This. It's called BU. I don't know if it's pink, maroon or red. I'm not sure. But it has a red undertone. As you can see, I've already applied some concealer. Yeah. So cheza kama wewe. Cheza kama wewe. Cheza kama wewe. Subscribe. Cheza kama wewe. Subscribe hapo chini. Cheza kama wewe. So I decided to go for that. Ka pink hapo. Sijui ama ka red. Ka blue. I want you to be here with me. No, it sounds crazy. So we're done with the eye makeup. As you can see, I've done half lashes. So we're going to do the foundation. We'll first prep the skin, napaka primer places zenye una sweat sana. Then you tap it in. Nakupenda we, nakutaka we, kako sijiwezi, oh my love. Mpenzi we, roho yangu we, kwa. So after imeset in, we are going to do our foundation. Kwako sijiwezi, oh my love. Oh no, no, no. Yeah. We're going to apply foundation. Nimeweka some few amount on the back of my hand. Oh, never touch my Amar, Amar, fire, fire, Amar. She fits in my life, she fits in my hair, she fits in my dress. She don't get away. She got down there round in the morning, now house I want it. So, unluckily, I ran out of song ideas, but I just remembered this song that used to trend when we were kids. We all must be knowing it. Ile ya tena nasahau. Guy. What song was that? Merimela. Merimela kipenzi, rafiki wa karibu tangu hapo zamani. Tununu, tulipoanza shule nasi tukiwa watoto, ulikuwa mpole tena mwenye adabu, msichana mwerevu, kila mara mshindi. Sifa nazo urembo zikaenea kote, ukipita ni whispers. Kwa darasa la 7 kipenzi Merimela ukaanza geuka, machani mbalimbali, hata nao walimu wakakufanya sijui picha ama gwiji, nawe ukakubali ingilia mapenzi ya kiholela holela bila kushauriwa. Ukaanza kulewa Mela, hujapata mtoto Mela mama usilie, Mela mama usilie, meza dawa, kula vizuri, utaishi Mela mama. So we are not going to cake our face, just a bit of highlighter here and here. Yeah. So after that, I'm going to do my lips. I don't think I'll do my lips here because I cannot do lips while singing. So I'll have the lips on another video. So we're done doing the lips, and that's the final look. Come on, boy, can you get it up? Come on, boy, is it big enough? Take it, baby. Take it, very loving. Come on, boy, is it big enough? Come on, boy, can you get it up? Take it, baby, love me. Baby, loving. So guys, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, comment, share, and kindly subscribe for those who are new to this channel. Kindly subscribe. Yeah, comment. Go watch other videos of mine on my channel. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye.